So I pulled the drive shaft out of the 2003 Dodge Ram 1500 ST. It's got a 3.7 liter 6. And I put a line here on the drive shaft just so when I put it back in, everything will be lined back up. And then pulled it out of there. Had to take the little that guy off the boot so I could slide it out, and then I'll show you the U-joint that's bad. I was getting a vibration mainly in 4th and 5th gear on highway speeds, or if I got up around 50 I would start to get a weird rumble and a vibration, and I had that happen with my old cars before, so I knew it was time for U-joints. Here's the bad one right there. Hard to move it, but this one right here is gone. Look at that. When I'd get up to speed, that sucker would vibrate. So living on the coast, you can see this is all rusty. Truck's got 108,000 miles, 2003, pretty much been like right on the coast the whole time, so getting the U-joints out sucked. I mean, they were in there. Here's the problem. 0 needle bearings. That one's still got needle bearings. That one's still got them. Well, that one's on there, but yeah, that guy gone. So that sucker is just in the truck like that. Now I'll clean it up and get the new one in and put it back together. And the new U-joints in there. Truck drives a lot better. Took it for a road trip. Got it up to speed and everything. No more vibration, no more noise. So hopefully that'll last a little while.